This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Cabin air filter. Open the glove box and squeeze in the two sides, then allow the glove box door to drop all the way down. Disconnect the wiring revealed from the rear of the glove box door. Release the tab retaining the cover to the heating and air conditioning unit, then remove the cover. Withdraw the filter. Install the new filter, which is marked with an arrow to indicate the direction of airflow from top to bottom. Slide the cover back onto the heating and air conditioning unit, engaging the tab on the left-hand side and pushing the right-hand side in until it clicks into place. Engage the glove compartment hinges to the bottom of the dashboard and then close the glove box, allowing the lock tabs to clip back on the inside of the dashboard. Check that the glove box opens and closes properly.